master details, lookup relationship, how we are linking two objects. If you remember, we have created project object yesterday. We have created multiple field on that project object. That was, lookup, master details. We also created, rich text. Okay, as I remember, we also created some formula field here. Here is the formula field, right? We also created a formula field for taking the uh, value from the parent, like from account. This account number is coming. Account number is on the account, but with help of formula field, we are bringing here. Okay, this is also formula field. Now, I am very much sure every one of you are having some clear concepts about the database in the Salesforce, a standard object, creating a standard field on the standard object, custom object, creating custom field on the custom object. Let me repeat. I not sorry, maybe I spoken something wrong. Let me repeat. A standard object. Okay, a standard field already there. On the standard object, we will create custom field. If you need some new column, new field. Okay. Then custom object, brand new object, brand new table. Okay. On the custom object, we will create the custom field, brand new fields. Well, how can you check all those things? Go to setup. Go to object manager. Oh, one second. That's fine. Okay, good. No worry. So, object manager, here we can check all these standard objects or our custom object that was created by us. No worry, click on last modified date. Let's have filtered and you can see, okay, this is our custom object project. Okay, well, I will continue this, but let's come back little more, one step back, I can say, on the basic. Because if you remember, when I was creating custom field, when I was creating tab, then you might remember I told you, hey, let me just show you, okay? If I go to project object, if I go to field relationship, if I click new, okay, just revision. If I choose, say, somehow this time maybe email field, that's fine. Next, okay, let's give something email. Good. Next. Oh, now you remember I said, okay, abhi ke liye just mark this visible. These are some profiles. Why not? Let's go and talk about those profiles. Okay, good. For that, go to this setup. This setup, as I hope mentioned earlier, this setup is the entry point for the multiple setup, configuration of the system, configuration of multiple admin stops. We go to setup, then we come here under quick find, and here we have option to search these available setups. What I want to do, I'm going to search and type user. Then under the users, you can see users. And you can see here user Om Prakash having the system admin profile. And if you look here, I am logging as a Om Prakash. Means now we are able to see, okay, Om Prakash having this system admin profile. Okay, now what is this profile? Let's understand in the very basic way. In an organization, in any organization, there are group of people that's maybe employee, I can say, yes, employee of the company. And if you categorize those employee, then you can say Okay, hey, these number of people are HR team. The number of people are from finance team. Okay, these number of people are from the admin team. Okay, the number of people are from the development team. The number of people are from the tester QA. Okay, understand what I want to say. If I say HR, multiple HR, is it possible either one HR or multiple HR? Okay. Hey, developer. There is a multiple developer, right? One developer, two developer, or 100 developers, more than 100 developers. Okay. In the Salesforce, we have users, and who will do what in Salesforce? Means Om Prakash is a system admin, means you can see he is the master of this organization. He can do everything, whatever possible in this Salesforce org regarding customization, regarding configuration, regarding the development, regarding the using the applications. Means he has full power. Okay, I am an admin. Okay, now there will be some user, and those are, I can say, developer. And now you can feel, okay, yes, that's fine. Developer user can have little less access than system admin. Okay, or let's say sales user. Good example, sales user. So sales user, they need to focus on the sales. They don't need to focus on the customization of system. They don't need to manage these users. I can say they don't need to manage user interface. Your sales user no need to create custom object. It depends. Maybe you are a startup company. Maybe you have only 1, 2, 3 people. Like very beginning company, one people is wearing the hat of multiple people. They are doing lots of things. That's fine. But think about some different role responsibilities. Think about, okay, sales user, their goal is to sell. Okay, admin user, their goal is to make sure Salesforce system is used by every user in the efficient manner. We need to give some permissions to every users, and those base level permissions, who will do what, is defined from the profile. Means what I will do, I will create a new profile that's called sales user, maybe sales profile, and we will assign those sales profile to sales user. I will create a new profile, each HR profile, and I will assign that HR profile to some of the new users or existing users. Means now I hope everyone is very clear. I'm talking very base level, in a very basic manner. I'm trying to explain user and profile. Means one profile can have multiple users, right? Now I can create one more new user. I can choose the profile system admin, and I can create, okay, hey, Gopi, you are system admin. Gopi, then system admin. Okay, good. Rahul, okay, you are HR. Okay, Ashish, okay, you are, I can say IT support user. So I will create IT support profile. Okay, good. This is just an example. Now, how it happens, I will so quickly. Let me click new user. And here you can see profile. And then here we have user license. Let me choose the Salesforce license. And then you can see these are some profiles. Means here even more new learning. License and profile are related. What is the meaning of this? See, I'm going to choose chatter free profile license, then these profiles are coming. Okay, if I choose Salesforce license, then these profiles are coming. Then what is your profile? What is user license? License, just in simple word, say today I get the authority. Like if I explain in a very simple example, okay, Salesforce license here. on the Salesforce platform, this license is giving the ability to do all the maximum to use all the maximum possible feature of Salesforce with the Salesforce license. Now I have license, but I am going to limit the available features and available I can say functionalities based on profile. Means, hey, these all profile, either system admin and either a standard user, they have capabilities to use all the maximum features given by this user license, but we are restricting. Okay, read only, you have less access. Okay, we can change you, like if you have currently read only profile, if you need, I can give you a system admin profile, but these profiles are defining the access. How? No worry, I will explain quickly. These profiles are giving access what you can do, and this user license is giving the maximum what you can do. Means, okay, now you are chatter free. Okay, you can use chatter, and these profiles, okay, one is chatter free user and one is chatter moderator user. They will not use the all available features of Salesforce because they don't have Salesforce license. Okay, any question in this till now? I know I am explaining on the very basic level, but simply I want to say ki, hey, you have a license in the, you have full license in the day, you can use, just I want to give some real life example. If you have the pass, you have the pass, you can travel from Patna to Delhi 4 times in a day. You have pass. Okay, every one of you have that pass. That's called, okay, master pass. Now think, Gopi, you are system admin. Yeah, you can utilize the maximum 4. Go ahead 4 times. Yeah, sis, you are developer. You need to be in the Noida office. Okay, in the day, only go 2 times from Patna to Delhi. Rahul, you have more responsibility, less responsibilities for travel, more responsibility in the office. Yeah, you have full right. You can go. You have license. But I am giving you 1 time permission, only go 1 time from Patna to Noida. Okay, what I want to say here, you have full authority, like you have using this license, and then you are using what you need. Okay, now let me go on this Om Prakash user. I am login as Om Prakash here. I'm going to click edit here. I can't change my user license and my profile. I am login here. I can't change. Another system admin can change. Okay. Now click cancel. Let's go and create one. Let's go and choose profile here under the user. I will create profile user from here. I am under the users, and from here I will click new user. But let's go and choose profile, profiles. Okay, and here we have already multiple profile that's called standard profiles, and you can see profiles are linked with the user license. You can see here profiles are linked with the user license. See, Salesforce license, these profiles, these license, the profiles. I can create a new profile from here, and it will ask me to clone from any existing profile. So maybe I'm going to choose a read-only profile, minimum access, just read-only profile. Okay, and profile name, I'm going to create new profile for my org. Let's say HR. HR, that's good already. HR, okay. or let's say team HR. Let's click save. I have now team HR profile that's holding user license Salesforce. Why Salesforce? Because I have cloned from Salesforce license profile. If you remember, go to profile. Once I have created new, then I have chosen read only, and that read only was from user license Salesforce. Okay, so one way, create the profile, new profile, choose some existing profile. Suggestion is choose the minimum access. So I choose a read only because you have to give access. I will coming on that, then we'll understand better. This is one way. Or common profiles, choose any profile, or just for example read only, and now clone this profile. Similarly, give a name, HR, save it. But I have already saved the HR profile here. So there is a two way for creating profile. Either click new, then already choose profile, or existing profile, give a new name, or choose existing profile, click clone. Okay. So now, if I come on my HR profile, team HR, that's Salesforce license. This is custom profile. This is created today, last modified same. Here is the settings things I was telling. What is meaning of this? System label setting. No, I will show you in a different view. But as of now, let's directly go and check. Object lead. You know lead object, right? Lead. To this user, I mean to this team HR profile, lead is available, but they have only read access. Means we are giving some base level permission for objects. Similarly, account. Account read means if I will create a new user for the team HR profile, they can only read the account. Okay, let me click edit and go on the account. Let's make create, edit, delete. Read means only they can view the account. Create means yes, they can create new record. Okay, they can edit the existing record. They can delete the record. Okay, for the contact, for the contacts, currently read only. Let me remove this. Okay, I'm hiding this. Let's see something. Remove this. Okay. Remember, for the contact, I have removed the read access. For the account, I given read, create, edit access. For the lead, I given read access. Three different, you can see lead, read access, contact, no read access, account, read, create, edit, delete access. Okay, base level access we are giving on the objects currently. Similarly, we have app label permissions. Hey, the team HR will see which apps. So remember license. Okay, Salesforce license allowing these options. HR team means the someone who is holding this user license Salesforce, they can have all these possibilities, all the possible apps available. But for this specific profile, for this team HR profile, I can control, hey, you don't need to see all these apps. You don't need to see all these apps. Okay, you only need to see HR app, and maybe I don't have HR app yet. So let's directly give sales app as of now. Hey, you can use the sales app, standard sales app, and that will be your default app. Okay, default we can mark somehow like, okay, maybe default, this is default. Default means I will show you quickly. Okay, so here I'm telling, okay, HR profile will only see sales app. Basically we should have HR app. I will create later, but abhi ke liye, for now, let's have, okay, sales app. Okay, let's hide all other things. Let's leave sales app. So this is coming from license. Like they have X, they can have multiple app access. But for this profile, I am marking sales app available. Click save. Now let's go quickly on the different profile, and let me open the profile that's called identity user, that is holding identity user license. Let me click edit. You can see, or let me click cancel. Lead is not available here. See, lead object is not available. Object standard object. See, location, push topic, these only these three objects are available for the identity license. So now this license is defining what is possible access, and now profile is defining for this group of users what access you want to give. I hope now you have clear license and profile. Again, let me check quickly for the Salesforce license custom sales profile. Now for the object, you can see this license belong from Salesforce. So we have multiple standard object, but it's my choice on this profiles, on the profile custom sale profile. What I'm doing, I am making account like this, lead, okay, read, create, edit, delete, contacts, all fours. But if you go back and open my profile, that's our HR profile, team HR. Now you can see, okay, for the object, we have different context. Let's see, accounts, read, create, edit, delete, leads, read, and we have contacts, no permission. I hope you are getting the flavor of profile and license now. Means profile depending on the license. License is defining the what is maximum access. Profile is defining the base level access from all those available maximum access given by license. So here we have created profile. Click on the view users, and you can see there is no any user under the team HR. You can create new user from here, or you can add multiple existing user. But as of now, directly let's go on the users. जो पहले गए थे हम लोग firstly users, click new user. Let's give name. Suppose I'm going to create a user. Let me make Assis as a HR. Okay, just let me put a name Assis. Okay, email. Let me put HR at the appycrown.com. Okay, okay. Now role you can leave as of now. User license, Salesforce, then profile team HR, because team HR profile depending on the user license Salesforce. I have given this. Now click save. Means as a system admin Om Prakash, I created a user named Assis. Okay, I've given the HR email. By the way, this can be real name of HR. Okay, good. So you know what happened? Now there will be one email on hr@appycrown.com. Okay, from that email, password reset option will come. Let me quickly show that email. I should have access. So let me quickly open and you can see, let me go and share screen again. My screen is stopped, I guess. Let me share again. Okay. And now you can see here, dear Ashish, welcome to developer edition. Your username is hr at @appycrown, and click here for create password. So here in this context, I am already login. Actually, this copy coming to me because HR email also provided to me. So I can see here. So let me copy this. I can click here, I can reset my password, but I am already logged in as system admin. So now it will be, I can say ki when you create password for this user, it will log in as HR. So for avoid this confusion, because I have already logged in as system admin here, I will copy this and I am going to incognito mode, separate new session. Open the link here in the incognito mode, change password. So for the HR, I have option to change the password. Let me give password. Okay. Let's see this just for now. Okay, change password. City tha, but that's good. I have given the in country, no issue. You can give your city name for your personal identity. Let's see what's happening. Here, I am logging to Salesforce from my HR login. Okay, let me click on this, view all, and you can see all apps, only sales app. How it's happening? Scroll down, go to the profile. I'm coming back as a system admin here. Now in this browser, I'm system admin. Click on a team HR profile. On the profile, click edit, and let's see. I have not given access of other apps. Now let's give access of service app. Okay, mark this visible. Click save. Okay, as a system admin, I given some more access. Okay, now, okay. Are you able to see incognito mode or not? Everyone? Can you please confirm? Are you able to see my incognito mode browser? Anyone please? Can you please text? No, I'm not able to hear you. Are you able to see my current screen? जहाँ पे मैं अभी login हूँ as
yes
HR?
sir. Yes sir, visible.
अच्छा, अभी पूरा blank page होगा. It's white.
No sir, white. In team HR profile.
Okay, what you can see currently? Well, this is awkward.
No.
Okay, then what's written there? Profile.
Yes, set up profile.
Okay. No. Sorry, let me share my screen. Okay, I was sharing one specific browser. Let me share entire screen. Okay, sorry. Let me see what I have done. Okay.
Yeah.
What I have done, I received this email. You see this, right? Okay. Please speak if you are stuck somewhere ki screen nahi dikh raha. Okay, then I will know. Sorry. Then copy this link. Then I went to the incognito mode. This browser now you can see.
Yes sir.
Earlier it was not visible, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here I have clicked, I have pasted this link. Then there was an option to enter my password. So I have added my created my password for the HR user. Okay. Now once this is login already, then here I am login as a HR user. And remember, I don't have access of other apps because initially when I clicked here, this service was not available. Now service is coming because as a system admin here to the team HR profile, we have given the access. How? Click edit. Here, I have given access of service app. I'm giving access of the, I can see, let's choose lightning user app. Let's choose digital experience. Let's choose data manager. And now let platform starter visible. Click save. Now go to that browser. Let me refresh this. This here I am logging as a Salesforce user, that is HR user. Now click here. You can see multiple apps available, right? Multiple apps are available here. Now Let's click edit. Let me come back in the other browser, and here refresh. Okay, logically sales apps should be visible. Let me verify on this profile. We have sales. Yeah, that's good. Sales app, and maybe mark this. Let me try again. Save. If I come here, if I refresh this, oh, strange. Sales app. No worry. Let me go back again. Team HR. Let's verify users. Assis is there. Yes. Let's go back. Edit. Sales app already I have given. Then maybe let me uncheck all previous things. Let's keep this sales only as of now. Let me try now. Team HR, save. Come here, let's refresh. Okay, let me choose the setup. Users. No worry, this is a part of troubleshooting. User assist is team HR. Yes. Then why it's be having a strange sales app should be visible. Just say in the beginning, you can notice under edit, I've given the sales app. Let me mark this, for example. Users. Let me copy this. Let me try login again. Okay. Login. Yeah, good. Maybe that was something, cache issue, refresh issue. That's fine. But now you can see logically sales app visible. No other apps are visible. Okay. Now, if I go on that profile, team HR profile from system admin, click edit. Okay. Now you can see account tab. If I go here, here, I don't see account tab. But here I can see account. Under the sales app, I don't see account tab. This is new learning here. What we need to do. Okay, let's see. If I go to app manager as a system admin here, as a system admin, I'm going to app manager. I'm going to check sales. This, oh, my bad. Let's go on the profile again. I'm sorry. Profile. And if I go to team HR, that cell is different, I can say. Once again, edit. Now, let's give sales. Let me try this sales, lightning sales. Lightning sales, and let's make this default. Okay, this is standard sales. This is lightning sales. Let me uncheck this. Let me make this access sales standard lightning sales app. Okay, sales standard lightning sales app. Save it. And how I will know this? Now go back to the app manager. App manager. And here, if you come and find sales, so you can say lightning sales. This is for lightning. Okay, lightning sales, lightning. That's why on the profile, on the profile, on the team HR profile, Here, lightning sales app. Now see the experience. Let me refresh this. This sales was different app. Now this is the sales app. Okay. Now come on our observation. If you see, I don't see contact tab here. Contact tab, contact, not available, contacts. Anyone? Why? Because if you remember on this HR profile, we have not given the read access for contact. For the team HR profile, we have not given read access for the contacts. So contact is not available for this user. I hope you are able to understand the power of profile. From profile, we remove the access of contact so that this user who belongs from the contact profile, they are not able to see the contact tab here. Now, go to the leads and I don't see lead new button here. Go on the account. Here is new account button. On the lead, no new button because if I go as a system admin, I will check the profile team HR. Team HR, if I check the lead, you can see lead, only read access is given. Create, edit access is not given, right? For the account, read, create, edit, delete is given. So that's why this sales user, this HR user is not able to create new lead. He is not able to see it, or he is not able to see the contact tab. They are able to create account, new account, save it, and they are able to edit the record. Save it. Now I hope you understand profile and license, but we'll have multiple sessions, multiple permissions based sessions, data security sessions. We'll explore more, but quickly let me go back from where I started on the project object. On the project object, let me quickly create a new fields. New fields. That field I was trying to create earlier, if you remember, maybe email. Let's click next. Let's put email. Let's click next. And now you know this email field will be visible to which profile? I hope you are able to catch. Okay, this email field is not needed for HR profile. Remove this. Okay, this email is not needed to gold partner user. Remove this. Okay, it is not needed for anyone. This email field is only for HR and system admin. The permissions we are controlling from the profile. Now we are creating the custom field and it's asking, okay, hey, team HR can't change the email. They will only read only. Mark this read only. Read only. Okay. Team HR will only read this email field. They will not edit this. Okay. Now click next. Save it from the profile. Now go on the profile. Profile. Team HR. Let's say if they have project object access, let's click edit, project, give them at least read and create access. Okay. Now base level from profile, team HR will have read and create access of project. I'm here in the other browser, other tab, I can say in incognito mode. I'm logging as a team HR. Let's see project. Now click new project. Okay, new project, demo. Okay, to the account. Here is email, but remember we have given this email as a read only to this user, this profile. I hope you're catching that. While creating this field, we have given the read access. As a system admin, if I open this record, I can add the email. Okay, at the demo.com. as a team HR, I'm going to refresh that record. Of course, I can check the email, but I can't edit the email because this is in the read only. By the way, here, if I first thing, if I come here, currently I know this no edit access, but still you can see from here project while creating. This is read only. ओके सेम इफ दे हैव एडिट एक्सेस, अभी तो एडिट एक्सेस नहीं है इसको, अगर हम वहां से टीम एचआर प्रोफाइल पे जाके एडिट एक्सेस देते हैं, विल गिव द एडिट एक्सेस फ्रॉम टीम एचआर प्रोफाइल, देन दे कैन एडिट द फील्ड्स बट दे कांट एडिट द these fields. As of now, this user team HR can't edit this record. So you know what? As a system admin, you will go on the team HR profile, and for the project object, you will give the edit access. Okay, click save. Now come back as a system admin. You have given the access. Now come back as a team HR. Now here you can see we should have edit access. Sorry, let me refresh. You should have edit X. Oh, 1 second. I think I have given the access. Let me verify quickly. Project. Yeah, edit access given, but it seems maybe some refresh. Let me go back. Let me come on the project. Let me create another one quickly. Demo 1, 2, 3. Now you can see we have edit option, but email is still read only. Formula fields are read only. Okay, click save. And how, why I'm able to edit? Because I have given access on the profile. Okay, that by refresh issue, I can even edit. Today, I hope you got the idea and overview of the user profile and how profile is controlling the base level permissions. Those base level permissions depending on the license. Now you know during the custom field creation, we have option. Okay, allow this field available, make this field available for this type of users. This type of profiles. Any question anyone have? Let's discuss for next 2 minutes. Then we can wrap up.